Well, one of the great things about working in this institution is that I get to know about people before I actually meet them. We work as a very tight team in our thoracic group. So I often will tell people as I walk through the door, first of all, I'm so glad to meet you because I've been talking about you. And I want you to know that, so that even though this is a very difficult experience for you, I don't want you to feel that you're already lost in a system. I think that's a very important thing to convey to people, that this is the hardest thing they've ever done in their life, is to walk through a door that says cancer on it. Probably one of the reasons I got attracted to the specialty to begin with, even though I really did like family practice and the intimacy that that could bring. I think when I was working in the hospital with the cancer patients, the intensity of the trust that you develop early and that you can sustain. And I like that word journey, because that's often what I tell them, which is this is something in partnership we're doing together. Hard times, good times, boring times. Part of that is just to say that this is about life, and so that it doesn't stop with the visit, it starts with the visit. So I think, again, that's something that I try and make sure that I remind them about every time I see them. I think part of the goal is not to make everything happen and make it seem like it must happen at the first visit. I just say, look, we're going to be spending time together. I want you to know who I am, and I want you to know that I'm thinking about the future with you. So whatever we're talking about today, we can talk about again, and we'll have the opportunity to do that. Because I like that word. It is really a journey. And I think that's, again, another way to provide reassurance that that person is being looked after, not specifically a particular diagnosis. I love theater, I love music, I go to the Indians games, I love running. I have been able to develop a tremendous range of friendships here outside of my home life. And so as a whole, Cleveland's been very good to me.